My name is Silvia. I'm a US student, and I'm going to present you my project, which is Share Vibes. You know, I really like this song, and it makes me feel like I want to share it. I found that we normally listen to music alone, and when we want to share it, we sometimes don't find a way to do it. Maybe we can wait and just do it in person, but if we want to do it online, it won't be always successful. Normally, people doesn't open links of music, like music videos and that, and I'll explain the reason why. But the challenge I was facing was making sharing music online easier and fun. User type, I had many options, and I narrowed down to these two user types. One is much more like, well, the same age, but one is more like the music freak, and the other one is the person following the trends. I stayed with the first one mainly because this person will be much more engaged with sharing and that kind of flows. First part is UX research. This is my approach. The research with users, my goal was to understand the behaviors in music sharing in general, methods, focus group, and several interviews. Some of the main conclusions were listening to music, people listen to music alone, mainly in YouTube, in my user type. And they don't open music links. For some reason, I have some here, they would like to play the music in the same app. If you're in Facebook, don't go to YouTube, and so on. And the validation on how they would like to add a text or a video to that music they're sharing was positive. I synthesized all of data with some of these methods, like affinity diagram or mind map, and I built this user persona. She's Christina, 19 years old, she's a student. She's very social, very techy, and goals will be share feelings or thoughts related with the music and check others' updates. And this will be her customer journey through sharing music and that. I won't really stop here. Okay, the product definition. This was the biggest challenge because I had a problem. I had so many possible solutions. So I went from an idea at the beginning that was this music platform, social music platform, and then it evolved to a cross-platform feature functionality. I want to say here that I came back a lot of times to all this information, to all these affinity diagrams and mind maps and wherever, because I was doing this decision on the interface or many other things, and I had to thought does this have any sense? I'm losing my user. Why I'm doing this? No, this was the question through the product definition. Okay, this is the flow chart. We are on YouTube. Our user type is in YouTube, so we start in this platform. The user will tap in share and launch share vibes from here, and will appear this floating action button. For recording music, it will be tapping, choosing between video and audio, and previewing it. For me, it's important to mention here this switcher. I added it here because I have two user types. Mainly the one with video because I want to share, but maybe I'm the music freak and I'm thinking just about the music, I'm not showing myself. Then we preview it, we share it, a notification, this notification, so we can show the user where it's safe, it's in our app, etc., and redirect to the app. This is just one of my usability tests. I've done 3, and this one was really useful because the user had this problem. The person didn't know what he was recording, the audio, the video, the screen. So because before I had 2 steps. At the first step, you record the audio and then a video on that audio. So it didn't make sense, and I understand that, and I changed it to a whole one step. Okay, it's time to show you my prototype. This is how the user interface looks like. This will be the platform. The first use, you will need to to allow notification because the floating action button is based on that. And then you, in the platform, you won't have any clip. So you will have this, which is a video. It will be like a GIF. Is it working? Yeah, showing where to tap to find us, in this case in YouTube, in the first like MVP. And now it will be like how to play it. And the rest of the prototype, let me start it, it's on the right. So you are allowing notification there. Accept, and you'll have this the first time, but any other time it will look like this, like with my clips, the name of the song, the share button. For example, here, I just have audio, I don't have a video, so it's the background. Then we have the search and set it options. At the moment, we don't have like any other navigation because for me, it would be really cool if then this is a social platform where I can check others, like my friends, sharings of these vibes and things. But this is a player, by the way. But now it's just about seeing how this engage people. And for me, personally, as a user, I wouldn't like to migrate to another new social platform. I'm using already Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. That's enough. So I would rather design something to be anywhere and use it. So this is the feature on YouTube. It has some music, so you can imagine how it works when you are actually listening to a song and how you like preview it, for example. So you step on share and on share vibes. This is the bottom. Once I type it, this will be the camera, guys, actually. I can show you other way. And this is the switcher for use audio. Okay, so I'm gonna record. Okay. And now, this is the music from the video, no the music from YouTube anymore. There we go, and we'll share it. Thank you for listening. This was Survive. I hope you like it. Ya está.